Okay, you are welcome back to Introductory Mathematical Analysis A, and we are still in chapter 4 and also in section 4.2 and 4.3. Alright, so here we're going to be taking some examples of using those rules, logarithm rules, examples using logarithm rules. Alright, so let's take the first one. The first one says write as a single logarithm. Okay, that is 5 2 log x plus 3 log y minus 2 log z. Okay, we want to write this as a single logarithm. Okay, first let's open up this. Let's just open it up. So we have 10 log x plus 15 log y minus 10 log z. Okay, that's using this 5 to open up. Okay, after opening up, we can bring, don't forget the rule, remember this rule, that when we have log bm raised to power r is same thing as r log bm. Okay, so the same thing also applies when we have this one. We can bring the r as the exponent and write it as this. So either ways can go. Okay, so that's what we're going to use now here. So bring this will become log x10 plus log y15 minus log z10. Okay, that is it. Now you will see that this log, we don't have the base there, so we can assume they are in base 10. Okay, we can assume they are in base 10 and leave, or we can just leave it that way and work with that way, but we can assume they are in base 10. Is that okay? So now these two is connected by addition, which will make the log to be multiplication. So I can write a single log now, and then I will say x raised to the power 10 multiplied by y raised to the power 15 all over, this now is division, z raised to the power 10. Okay, that is it as a single log. Okay, that is number one. Number two, simplified log of 1 over 10 plus ln E3 minus log 2 16. Okay, you want to simplify this. In simplification of this, okay, I can rewrite this one to become log 10 minus 1. Are you comfortable with that? Hope you understand that. Yeah. Then plus, this one is ln and e, so I can bring this down to become ln e. Okay. All right. Then minus, this is log of 2. What is 16? 16 is 2 raised to power 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8 raised to power 4. Okay. 16 is 2 raised to power 4. Okay. I can leave it that way. Now, this is the power of this, so I can bring that down, minus log 10 plus ln and exponent, their inverse function, don't forget that. So this becomes 1. So I have 3. You can bring down this 4 minus 4 log 2 base 2. Okay, log 2 base 2. And you know this is supposed to be 1. This is 1 already. Okay, and this one, they didn't write any log for us, so I can assume it's base what? Base 10. It is base 10. I told you, or we mentioned, that if no base is written there, so you can assume base 10 there. Okay, so This becomes 1, so I have minus 1. This is 3. This is minus 4 because log 2 base 2 gives us. Okay, so this becomes what? 3 this minus 1, this minus 2. Okay, so that means this whole expression is equals to minus 2. All right, that is fine. Let's go to example number 3. Example number 3, write as a single log, write as a single log. Okay, again we have ln 3 plus ln 7 minus ln 2 minus 2 ln 4. So they are all ln and ln. Okay, so let's just write ln 3 plus ln 7 minus ln of 2, and this becomes what? Minus ln 4 raised to power 2. Okay, you remember we can bring this on top. Okay, then we have ln 3 plus ln of 7. This is minus and minus, so I can factorize the minus out, and then this becomes n2 plus ln of 4 raised to power 2. Okay, you can have that. Don't forget you can have that. Okay, so now we have this is ln and ln, so I can bring this together to become ln. This is multiplication, which gives us 3 times 7, then minus this together, which is 2 multiplied by 4 raised to power 2. Okay, so we have two different ln now. Now we can now make it one ln now. Let's make it one ln. Then we have ln 3 multiplied by 7 over 2 multiplied by 4 raised to power 2. Okay, so that is a single ln now. So which is ln 21 over, this is 16 times 2, 32. Okay, all right, that is fine. I hope you understand. Please ensure you understand. Okay, let's pick a last one. Okay, simplify log 327 over 81. Okay, want to simplify this. To simplify this is the same thing as log 3. Okay, this is division, don't forget that. Okay, so I can have log 327 minus log 381. Okay, I can have that, and I go that way and I simplify. Okay, but I'll prefer this way. So this is now become log 3. What is the power of this? This is 3 raised to power 3. 3 times 3, 9 times 3, yeah. Now this 3 raised to power 4, yeah. So I can have like this, and then I can make a division. And then I will have log 3. This divided by this already will now become 1 over 3. Am I right? Yeah, that's fine. So now we have log 3 minus 1, which I can bring the minus 1 down. Then I have log 3. And of course, you know the answer already now. So that will now become minus 1. Will become minus 1. Okay, that will become minus 1. Okay, that's fine. So if you go the same way this way, you are still going to get the same answer. Okay, you are going to get the same answer. Okay, let's quickly go that way and see. So this will become log 3 raised to power 3 minus log 3 raised to power 4. Okay, so you bring it down, 3 log 3 minus log 3, you bring the 4 down, 3. This gives us 1, and this is 3 minus, this gives us 1, this is 4. Okay, which gives us minus 1. So we are still going to get the same thing. Please ensure that you understand. Please ensure you understand.